Nice morning. Now you are watching a video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Hotel is surrounded by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, then remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the new subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that